Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. O Emperor, now I am separated from my friend and dearmost well-wisher, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and therefore my heart appears to be void of everything. In his absence I have been defeated by a number of infidel cowherdsmen while I was guarding the bodies of all the wives of Krishna.
So after departure of Krishna, Krishna's all the wives, 16,108, they were being taken care of by Arjuna. But some cowherdsmen, they plundered all the queens, and Arjuna could not protect them. And this is the instance that we may be very powerful so long Krishna keeps us powerful. We are not independently powerful. Even in the case of Arjuna, we are very much proud of our Janmai Sajja Sutasri, material world. Everyone is very much proud of his birth, riches, and education, and beauty. Beauty. These four things are obtained as a result of pious activities. And as a result of impious activities, the opposite number. Not birth in a very nice family or nation, no wealth, poverty, no education, and no beauty. But one should know that these assets, material assets, just like you American people, you have got nice assets. You are born of a very respectful nation. American nations are still honored all over the world. So that's a good opportunity for you. Janma, you are born in. Every American is, in comparison to India, every American is rich man. Because any ordinary man earns here at least 4,000, 5,000 rupees. In India, even the High Court judge, he cannot earn so. At most 4,000. So, you should be conscious that by the grace of Krishna you have got all these things. There is no poverty, there is no scarcity, there is good chance of education, and you are wealthy, beautiful, everything. Janmai Sajja Sutasri. But if you do not become Krishna conscious, if you misuse these assets, then again Punarmushika Bhava. You know the story, Punarmushika Bhava? Anyone? No? Punarmushika Bhava means again you become a mouse. A mouse came to a saintly person. Sir, I am very much troubled. What is that? People generally go to saintly person for some material profit. That is the nature, animalistic nature. Why you should go to a saintly person for some material benefit? No, you go there to learn what is God. That is real business. Anyway, saintly persons sometimes receive. So what do you want? Just like Lord Shiva. His devotees are all like that, mouse. Want something. Sir, this cat troubles me very much. So what do you want? Then let me become a cat. All right, he become a cat. So he became a cat. Then after a few days, he came back. Sir, still I am in trouble. What is that? The dogs. They trouble us very much. So what do you want? Now I want to become a dog. All right, he become. Then after a few days, one after there is nature's arrangement. One is weak, one is strong. That is nature's arrangement. So, after all, he wanted to become a tiger. So, by the grace of the saintly person, he became a tiger. And when he became a tiger, he was staring on the saintly person like now. So the saintly person asked him, you want to eat me? Yes. Oh, then you again become a mouse. If by my grace, by my favor you have become tiger, so I again condemn you to become a mouse. So, you American people, you have become tiger now. Nixon tiger. But if you don't behave obligedly, if you don't feel obliged, if the tiger feels obliged, that by the grace of this saintly person, I have come to this stage of becoming a tiger, I must be very much obliged to him. But instead of becoming obliged, if you want to eat, then again become a mouse. If the saintly person has got the power to make you from mouse to tiger, then he can convert you again from tiger to mouse. You must always remember this. So by the grace of God, Krishna, you have become so powerful, nation, rich, beautiful, educated. But grace of Krishna you have become, but if you forget Krishna, then you are again going to be mouse. Remember. Nobody will care for you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.